A coder turned entrepreneur built a neighborhood drone repair marketplace that turned tech support into a scalable service. Her breakthrough was a modular kit that simplified drone maintenance, paired with an on-demand team network and transparent pricing. She faced funding droughts, regulatory hurdles, and fierce competition, learning to pivot from gadget hype to real customer value. After years of trials, she triumphed by securing partnerships with schools and emergency services, while sharing hard-won tips: test early, measure impact, and engage mentors. This journey shows that ordinary problems become extraordinary businesses when you align passion with practical systems and relentless perseverance.